Hello.
Can you ask why you guys are recording?
Just a journalist gathering content for a story.
Okay, this is a private property, and these are patients that are getting tested. That is a HIPAA violation.
This is private property?
Yes, it is.
This here? The sidewalk is private property?
If you guys do not leave and stop recording our patients being tested, we will have to call the police.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, I am covering videos from the YouTube channel Hoosier Auditor. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this type of content and you want to see more content like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Today's videos took place on August 12th, 2021. And on January 22nd and February 25th of 2022. All of them take place in the state of Indiana. Hoosier Auditor is a brand new First Amendment auditor. He currently has 961 subscribers and 3 videos on his channel. I watched all 3 of his videos and I highly recommend you check his channel out. Keep up the great work you are doing, Hoosier Auditor, and continue to hold them accountable. In the first video, the auditor was confronted by 2 workers at a COVID-19 testing site. The workers do not like the fact that the auditor is recording them, so they call the Fillings Police. In the second video, the auditor walks into a local police station to get a Freedom of Information form, and he runs into a sergeant that actually honors his oath. In the final video, the auditor runs into a bunch of Karens and Darrens at the local city hall. Now, let's jump right back into this video and see how it plays out.
Do what you need to do. I'm on private property, guys. Hello.
What's going on today?
Just a journalist gathering content for a story.
What'd you say?
I'm a journalist gathering content for a story.
Okay. You're obviously allowed to film here.
Yep.
This is sidewalk. Were you up there filming it somewhere?
Nope, stayed on the sidewalk the whole time.
Okay. Did they come and talk to you?
Yeah, they did.
What'd they say?
They came out saying I was on private property and it was a HIPAA violation.
Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, you're allowed to film here. You're right. We're a one-party consent state, meaning you can film anytime you want. Just don't go on their property.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have ID on you?
I do, but I'm not going to give it to you.
Just to let you know, anytime you're involved in something that we get called for, we are compelled to ID.
That's not true. You have to have a reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime.
That's fine. If they say that you were on their property, I'm going to ID you. Okay?
I obviously wasn't on their property. I can show you on the video I wasn't on their property.
If you want to do that, that's fine. If I talk to them and they say you do, if you want to just show me that you weren't, that's fine. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, you guys are all good. Like I said, they didn't say you came out of the property, so
Alright.
they're concerned about you filming people, but I said, you're allowed to, you're on public property here, so as long as you don't go on their property, you're good to go.
Yep.
Alrighty?
I know. Alright, thanks. Hello, how are you?
Good. You asked for a department allegation?
Yes, and then how do I put in a public request form? Do you guys have those, or do I just email those in?
Public request form?
Yeah, to get records. I would like to get her name and salary.
Oh, yeah, that's something that you would have to do with Town Hall.
Town Hall?
Yeah, I would imagine.
Okay.
So
How do I get over there? Is there?
it's at 1490 Broadway.
Okay.
So 15th, take to 15th Street. It's right there on the right hand side.
Okay. And what's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Alfaro, Chester Police.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, take care.
Here we go.
Why are you taking photos?
It's a public building. I'm just taking pictures of the facility because the Constitution gives me the right to. Get a cam back.
Can I help you?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Just don't delete those pictures, that's public record.
I wasn't able to take the photo.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Why you're recording everyone?
Oh, I don't want to divulge that information right now.
You realize that it makes people very uncomfortable?
Doesn't matter, it is my constitutional right, so.
Quite interesting. You feel, even though it makes people uncomfortable, that you can continue to do that.
Just feelings don't trump the Constitution. Sorry.
Right.
Oh, just recording a public facility. Oh, just for my First Amendment rights. Just because.
Nothing to do with First Amendment rights, because you start
does.
pushing people out, so to be honest with you.
It's my First Amendment rights.
Yeah, so it's our First Amendment rights to call police and ask them to remove you.
You can do that, but this is a public facility.
Yes, it is, but if you're not conducting public business,
This is a public facility, and the Supreme Court has decided. The Supreme Court has decided that this is our constitutional right.
to walk around and videotape the building.
On public facilities, yes.
Uncomfortable.
In public
Not
facilities.
only the employees, but the people in here.
Okay, it's public
And I hope you're
facilities.
getting me on that.
I am.
Please do, and you can post
I am.
all you want.
It's a public
think it's-
facility. I do
yes.
have the right to
Why do you
record.
want to creep people out?
I'm not trying to creep people out.
Well, you are.
I'm just exercising my First Amendment rights.
I would say, well, it'd be nice if you find another better way to do it, but if you keep doing it, you may be getting a call from somebody.
Okay, there's nothing I can do. I'm not breaking any laws.
You're not breaking any laws.
None.
It's very peculiar behavior to do this. It really is.
Okay, but I'm not breaking any laws, so.
And they're very concerned about it. The
Okay.
public, when you
Okay,
and when you do that, you will have the police come by and remove you.
there's no reason to remove me. I'm not breaking any laws.
Well, if you're creeping people out by walking,
Creeping people out is not a law.
have a nice day.
Thank you.
Go continue taking your video. But don't be surprised if the police don't show up.
Okay.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to go over to Hoosier Auditor's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.